Okay, Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Sir Yusuf bin Kadasil. Okay, today we would like to present about our project that is a BMI CGPA system. So here we have made the project by 1 week, and this project have been done by me, Idayu Binti Maxtar, and also my partner, Muhammad Azam bin Zainal. Okay, so uh, actually this project we've done together, and firstly I would like to introduce this CGPA system. Okay, first of all, if you can see, I will open the application. Okay, if you can see here we have three choice. The first choice is a CGPA system, second choice is about, and the third choice is exit. Okay, here I will show you how this program run. Okay, here, this we use this is function. This function is to display the menu actually. Okay, this function is no return value and no passing parameter. So here we declare it with integer declaration. Here we printf and scanf here. The system one, the user enter either one, and here if you can see, if if as if is actually this is a selection. So the user can choose either one. If they want to find the CGPA, they can click or they can click one. If they want to see about, they can click two, and if they want to exit, they can click zero. Okay, we return back to this run program. Okay, now I want to calculate the CGPA. I will enter one. Okay, here if you can see, we have put the sub reminder at the top. Okay, I will show you the what this ones. Okay, here program. Here we put the same function. There is no return value and no passing parameter. Here we use array 100 because to storage they will the character will storage. Okay, here the system will display this reminder. Okay, here the system want the user enter the name, IC number, and the ID number, and this is a system CLS, and the function of CLS is for clear the screen, and this is the system will display name, IC, and ID. Okay, I will show you. Okay, please enter your name, your IC number, and your ID. Okay, here if you can see again, your name, your IC number, and your ID will display at the top. Okay, here we go back to C program. Okay, we will go through with how to calculate the cumulative grade point. Okay, here the user can choose either one. Okay, if you want to calculate the cumulative grade point average, please enter 1. Okay, the system want the user enter the SEM that they have take. For example, 3. Okay, the system also want the user insert the information for each semester. Okay, the grade point for semester 1, for example, 3.7, and the GPA for semester 2, 2.5, and the GPA for semester 3 is 2.5. So, okay, here, if we can see, the system will display here the number of semester and the grade point average GPA for each semester. Okay, if you can see at the bottom here, after you put the grade, after you put the GPA, here the system will calculate the total of grade point for 3 semester, and it also will calculate the CGPA. So here, if you can see, the CGPA is 2.9. Okay, I will show you how we get it. Okay, here, if you can see here, the system want the user enter the total SEM. Okay, here is the formula. Oh, no, no. Uh, okay, here is the formula. How we get the CGPA? How we get the CGPA? First, total GP, total grade point average over the total semester, and the system will display the grade point average, and also it will display the total grade point here, the total grade point for one semester that you have take, and the GPA for one semester. Okay, we just press any key to continue. My partner will explain how to calculate the
Assalamualaikum
GPA.
and
Okay.
to our lecturer, Sir Yusof Ben Kadasi. Now, I will tell you about how to calculate the grade point average. Firstly, enter 2. The system the reminder at the middle. Make sure you follow that direction properly. Next, user must enter the number of subject. For example, 3 subject. Okay, now please insert the information of subject number 1. For example, subject number 1 is programming. Programming is 3 credit hour and the mark is 100. Now, please insert the information of subject number 2. For example, physics. But here, physics just have 7 letters. So, back to the direction, please put dash until the subject name reach to 8 letter and not more than 15 letter. Okay, credit hour for physics is 3. Mark 39. Okay, now I will insert the information of subject number 3. Credit hour 3 and the mark is 90. Okay, the program will display subject name, programming, physics and the mathematics, mark, grade point, grade and credit hour. This system also will show you status. For programming, for example, the mark is 100. So, in programming subject, pass. Okay. At the bottom, the program will display the total credit hour. The total credit hour is 9 and the program will also display the semester grade point. And the lastly, the GPA for this sem. Okay, now I will show you how to uh, now calculate grade. We can identify the grade point. Enter 3 and enter your mark. For example, 56. Okay, here the program will show you the mark 56 and the grade point is 2.33. Just now I have tell you how to calculate the grade point. So now I will tell you how to make the program for calculate grade point average. Okay, here the function for grade point average. Okay, here this is integer for loop. Integer for number of subject. Integer for credit hour. This credit hour is storage 50 storage. And the mark have 100 storage. And this is grade pointer. G is grade and the status is pass or fail. Okay, now I will show you how to make the program. Okay, firstly, we make the output. For example, ni, please enter the number of subject. Okay, here you see, please enter the number of subject. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, this is scanf. Scanf is for input. For example, here we enter two subject. Okay, this is looping. You can see looping. This is looping and this is looping too. Okay, now the program want to user enter the name of subject. Okay, this is the name of subject. Okay, now the program when we enter the marks. Okay, for example, I put 100. Okay, when we put 100, this looping will oh this looping will return the mark to convert to grade point. For example, we just enter 100 and the grade point is for flat. Okay, when we enter the mark, okay, the program will show your mark, grade point, grade, credit hour, and status.
Okay, here I will show you how to convert from mark to the grade. Okay, we enter. This is how to identify the grade. Okay, please press 4. Okay, here if you can see, the system one user enter the marks. Okay, for example, 50, and the system will display for mark is 50 and the grade is C plus. Okay, here I will show you. Okay, here at the C program. Here is we using function. This is char return value and float is a passing parameter. Okay, here let's say we put 80 or in this range 80 to 100. The system will return the value here. So for example, I have put here uh, in range 50 to 59. So the system will return the value is C plus. Return that to the our main menu. Okay, now I will explain about the second choice number 2. Okay, so press enter 2. Okay, here this is about the this is information of developer. So here the system just display what we put in the C program, what we write in the C program. This is at our main menu actually. This is menu advanced, if you can see. Okay, this is a selection. We use the selection if and as if and as okay. Here we choose number 2, and the system will display this. Okay, here is please press any key to continue. Okay, and the last one, I will tell you. Uh, the last choice is 0. Where is it? Oh, sorry, 0. Okay, here, same with the above. The system uh will display what we write in C. Okay, here is at here. Okay, I think that's all from us. So thank you.